Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to restore missing desktop icons on your Windows device. So pretty straightforward. So we actually have many desktop icons that should be on this computer, and unfortunately we can't see any of them. And if I actually try and create a new shortcut or item on the desktop, we see that we're unable to. So I'm actually trying to create a text document and it's not letting me. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make all these visible once again. So very straightforward. We're going to click on any spot on our desktop. So right click, left click on view at the top of this context menu. And then at the bottom of this new list that comes up, left click on where it says show desktop icons. We see all these text documents that we just created and all of our icons have been restored. So again, right click on the desktop, left click on view, and then make sure show desktop icons is checkmarked. So pretty straightforward. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.